Alright folks, this is how I wash my bike at the track. I have a SunJoe pressure washer. This is a portable, battery powered pressure washer. It has 2 batteries in there. They last for about 30 minutes, 45 minutes. I bring my extra tank of water, 5 gallons of water, and this thing also holds water inside this tank. So let's check this out. Here we go. Holds about 5 gallons of water in there. Normally to wash my bike, I have to, it's like takes, I guess what, 5 to 7 gallons. So I have to refill it. So we're gonna get started. Actually, I'm gonna fill it up now. So I use a special tip, makes it a little bit more powerful. Let's see how this works. It's also good to do a little scraping to help it out, you know. Can't get no better than that. This thing works great. Cool. So now when I get home, you know, put out the garden hose and do a little detailing, a little soap and water wash. But you got all that big mud off your bike. Good stuff. So I went through like, I guess 10 gallons of water, almost 10 gallons of water, maybe 9 gallons of water just now. So that's pretty good. We'll see how it holds up over time. I got an extra warranty through Amazon, so far so good. All right, let's see how much battery life I used. So I went through about 10 gallons of water. Turn it off. It comes with 2 batteries. Let's see. So I still got 2 out of 3 bars on these batteries. Lasts a good long time. I probably could wash this bike 3 times with this battery pack. Great purchase. The SunJoe portable, battery powered, carries its own water, pressure washer. Good stuff. Works pretty good. Costs a little over 300 bucks on Amazon. Battery lasts a long time, bring some extra water. Wash your bike at the track. Good stuff. Thanks for watching.